Director Kyle Davis. Come with me, we're gonna go check out Bob's Big Boy Friday night car night. There it is. Bob's Big Boy. Oh, 56 Chevy. Look at that thing. Badass. A cool ass car too. Dude, is this like a Model T? That's freaking awesome. We got a little racer car there. Yeah. Got a sweet old Corvette here. That's freaking rad. Look at this puppy. Look at all these cool cars in a row. Yeah. Friday night car show. Ooh, look at this one, 1968 Chevrolet Impala. Look at this bad boy too. That's freaking sick. Flames on there. Mach 1 Mustang. Sweet old VW Bug. Good old Bob's Big Boy. Been here forever. My dad used to come here. It's still so cool they're keeping it alive this long in 2026. I love it. If you guys haven't ever been, stop by Bob's Big Boy in Burbank, California. Alright guys, till next time. Love you. Peace.